Olenia Caymares is a Cuban curvy fashion model born on August 23, 1998. She has gained a considerable amount of success in the modeling industry, with her net worth, biography, age, height, family, and career updates being widely discussed. She is an inspiration to many aspiring models and continues to be a successful figure in the industry. Curve model for different brands and entrepreneur. She is known for her past boot camps for women looking to start online businesses. She has been behind a number of other ventures, including a digital marketing agency and an on-the-go beauty app. She has an estimated net worth of $4 million. More information on Olenia Caymares can be found here. She is from South Florida. Olenia Caymares was born the 23rd of August 1998. It indicates that she is on life path 4. Her age now in 2023 is 24 years old. Height, 5 feet 8 inches in 172 centimeters. Birth sign, Virgo. She started running her own businesses at the age of 15. Olenia Caymares' life path number is 4 as per numerology. The life path number 4 is associated with people who are practical, sensible, pragmatic and rational by nature. They are quite methodical and well-ordered apart from being efficient in their essence. It means they have a rational thought process while making any decision in life. She posts dance and lip-sync videos on her Olenia Caymares TikTok account, which has amassed over 440,000 followers.